Using Claude's web search is a game changer for getting up-to-date information. So let's get into how you can set it up right now. First, go to the Claude website and log into your account. Once you land on the main workspace where your recent chats are listed, look for the Chats area. This is essentially your control center, where you can keep things organized. Click on Chats to see a clean view of your history, then select New Chat to start a fresh session. Opening a new chat is a good habit because it keeps your topic focused and ensures that Claude's internal context stays tight on your current project. Once you have a blank message box at the bottom, don't start typing your question just yet. You need to enable the web access capability first. Look for the small plus icon located right next to the text input field. Think of this plus icon as your expanded toolbox for any prompt you write. When you click it, a menu will pop up with several options. You want to choose Web Search. By toggling this on, you are telling Claude to step outside of its static training data and browse the live internet for real-time information and specific citations. Now that the tool is active, type in your research request. The important thing is to be as specific as possible. If you just ask for general news, you'll get broad results. In my case, I prefer to include a specific time frame or a geographic region to get the best data. For example, instead of asking for tech updates, try asking for the top 3 breakthroughs in consumer robotics from the last 6 months with source links. After you hit enter, Claude will search the web, summarize the most relevant findings, and list the exact sources so you can verify the details yourself. If the response feels a bit too general, you can refine it by adding constraints in a follow-up message, like asking for only government reports or data from the past week. Claude will keep the context of the entire conversation so you don't have to repeat yourself. I hope you found this helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.